Hey everyone, this is a unboxing and review of the TOZO T6 True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds are about, right now they're $40 on Amazon at the making of this video. They're usually $60, but let's get into it. So first off, they have IPX8 waterproof resistance. That means they're water and dust proof to the point of submersion. So the charging case is also waterproof. Just the general rule of thumb with electronics would be to not submerge them in water, but these are safe if you get water on them. So let's open it up. Got a nice little instruction booklet here, how to pair it, some specifications. Looks like you get 5 hours of playtime on each of the earbuds. Then with the charging case, you get around 30 hours. So which is pretty good for something this small. So we've got our different earbuds here. We've got for all different kinds of ears. We've got small and large. Large for, yep. We've got our USB-C charging cable. Oh, micro USB. Interesting. Would have thought they went to USB-C by now, but you know, everyone's different. These also have wireless charging built into the case, so if you set them on a wireless charger, they'll start charging right up. So let's peel these plastic things off. And stick them in the case. This is the right, this is the left. These come with the medium ear tips pre-installed. So if you have regular ears, you know, big ears, big ear tips, small ears, small ear tips. They're usual. This case is really not bad. Seems to be pretty well built. It's got a nice little dust cover over the charging port. I like that. Good for people like me who wear their earbuds or put their case in their pocket all the time. It shows it's fully charged, so that's a nice touch where they come fully charged. So yeah, overall I think they packaged it nicely, and next video will be how to pair them.